Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to connect the T1 thermostat with Modbus. Now, let's connect the Modbus converter. We connect PIERRE's pin 6 to the RX pin of the converter and pin 7 to the TX pin. Next, we wire the GND of the converter and connect it to the GND of the PIERRE. Now, the VCC pin of the converter will get connected to the 5-volt output from the PIERRE. Be careful, 12 volts will damage the converter, so we'll use 5 volts here. With that, the converter is wired up, and now let's proceed to connect the T1 thermostat. We start by connecting the live face and neutral wires of the thermostat. This is done using a quick connect terminal. Next, we wire the Modbus communication lines. For this, we use the red wire for A+, and the white wire for B. At this point, we're ready to power up the system. As you can see, the system is powered and the status light is on. Before we do anything else, we need to set the address of the thermostat. To do this, we turn off the thermostat first. We power it up again, but only the lower light will be on. Then press and hold the first icon until the display shows 1B, indicating the address is set to 9. We change the address to 1, and now the thermostat is configured correctly. Now let's move on to the Partner app. We open the app and choose our controller. Then go to the Configurable I/O section. Next, we select Add and add a Modbus I/O device. We name it Modbus. Then, we set the TX to PIERRE's pin 6 and the RX to pin 7. Once everything is connected, we click Submit. As you can see, a new tab called Devices appears. We click on it and then add the new Modbus device. Select the first option, the PIERRE Thermostat T1, and rename it to Thermostat 1. After that, we select the address we set up earlier, 1, and click Submit again. We now go back and add it to the Academy dashboard. We can now see the thermostat on the dashboard. Let's test it. As you can see, we can control the temperature settings right from the app. And that's it. The T1 thermostat is connected and working smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.